If you are looking for top-load washing machines, here's Amazon Prime Day deals just for you. Just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Godrej. Amazing Prime Day deal. Number 2, by Samsung. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 3. Check the link below for exclusive Amazon Prime prices. Number 4. Our editor choice. Number 5, by LG. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 6, by IFB. Prime Day 2018 now live. Click this banner below, get yours. Number 7, by Whirlpool. Now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price. Number 8, by LG. For more info about these great online deals, click this link in the corner. Number 9, by Samsung. Get these great online deals now. Click this link for real-time deals and updates. Number 10, by Oneida. Available now on Amazon.